How to execute brand restage successfully. In any business, there will come a time when we want to refresh and reinvent our brand while staying true to the identity.
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello my friends, how are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcia Ludi. There are many reasons why we want to reinvent our brands. There could be new formula upgrade that we want to put into our brands, or we want to refresh an old packaging design, or we want to react against competitive actions. Brand research can be done in several ways. For example, packaging design refresh, formula upgrade, new positioning for the brand, or a combination of all of that. These are the key principles on how to launch a successful brand restage. Keep your existing loyal users. While one of the objectives of brand research is to get new consumers, get new users into the brand, we need to make sure that we do not lose the existing consumers, the existing loyal users, by making sure that the brand keeps its familiarity. Therefore, we must know and understand who are our current loyal users and why they are buying our brands. This can be a combination of functional benefits and emotional benefits, the imagery and the perception and the prestige of the brand. Think of Singapore Airlines. The frequent flyers of Singapore Airlines are not just passengers who want to fly from point A to point B. They are the ones who also want to experience the feel at home when they're boarding to the plane of Singapore Airlines. They are the ones who want to experience the excellent service and the comfort of the flight promised by Singapore Airlines. Keep your brand cues consistent. This means the brand's distinctive logo, colors, tone, any assets associated with the brands. Think of Nike's logo and McDonald's golden arch. No matter what, they will never change those iconic assets. Do not just do a cosmetic change, but restage the brand by adding real value to the consumers. Restaging the brand by just doing cosmetic change usually does not work. For example, changing it to cheap packaging design is not going to work. Restage the brand by improving customers' experience in impactful and meaningful ways. Combine it with a formula upgrade. For example, an anti-dandruff shampoo brand may restage its brand and at the same time adding the ZPT level to its formula, hence increasing the efficacy of its anti-dandruff formula. Stay consistent with the brand's core equity. When restaging a brand, it is important not to deviate from the brand's core equity, core positioning, and core identity. This is to make sure that the brand stays true to itself and not deviating, becoming something else. Do not keep changing the advertisement in rush time. Just because we are bored with the advertisement does not mean the consumers are bored as well. Instead, set the right awareness and trial level, and then set a trigger point in which when to change the advertisement when the awareness and trial level are starting to decline. Do not launch and leave the brand. Instead, create a long-term campaign for the brand so we can continue building the brand's awareness and sending the message of the brand to the consumers in phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, and so on. How about you? How do you restage your brand? Please write your comments below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.